Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for NASDAQ and SPX price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. Let's see what happened in NASDAQ with this intraday. So today in the live stream, I mentioned that we need to hit at least the 1.27 exactly. And what the hell happened directly after it? Well, that is a very aggressive move here that we are looking at. And of course, after hitting this target, well, it has claimed that this is a wave 3, probability is high, but yeah, the aggressivity after it is very, very question mark. Again, so we gotta be careful with it. If we are on 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, 4 and a 5, yes, can be finished, meaning you are in 1, 2, 3, and then you're looking for this wave 4. Now, this is a very shallow wave 3 uncommon target. Invalidation of bullish, it will be given over there. What we need actually here is definitely a sideways wave 4. If this is the aggressive wave A that we always know when we have a triangle, can be the situation, yeah, and then moving toward the upside continuously later on. If this is going to hit our target there for invalidation, well, okay, something else is unfolding here. Knowing that we took the high already, it means, of course, very likely that you might have finished here kind of like a potential expanding diagonal, which is very rare case, or you are simply in an A, B, and a C expanding flat. There is no other possibility, guys. And that because, of course, we took the all-time high again, and we still, of course, are wondering why we see aggressivity with the downside movement after it. So we're gonna see what's gonna happen. Let's watch the invalidation. This is gonna be our answer, 24K750. If we hit it, very likely we're moving in a wave C, guys. Targets for a wave C might be, of course, taken from the wave A to the wave B here as an expanding flat. And we're talking here about an expanding flat wave C. And that means, of course, these might be your targets. I'm gonna remove the old targets here. No need for it anymore. So I'm gonna remove also this invalidation. And yeah, so this is what I'm looking for right now, guys. Let's watch, of course, this as a key level. And if you remember before, guys, we were looking for an A, B, and a C. Your target was the 1-to-1 fib level. Currently, with this move toward the upside, look where your target are again, in the same area. And that means, of course, very likely when the market react in this way, it means sooner or later, this area has to be revisited. The 24K has to be revisited. So we're going to see, of course, what's going to happen. I cannot remove this one. I don't know why. Here we go. So let's see US 500. US 500, the same thing we see right now. Now we see aggressivity. I don't know if this is related to the news, but I don't see any news today unless it is something, of course, very fast news. So basically, if it is an A, B, and a C as well, we gotta be careful. A, B, and a C. We finished only 3 ways, guys, toward the upside. And that means, of course, we might be here in a potential correction only if we take, of course, the invalidation of bullish. Okay, so this is our next invalidation of bullish, 6,682. This is a key level to be watched. And of course, your target, as you can see, your old target here for wave A was given around this area, as you can see, the 1-to-1 fib level. And we're back, of course, to the same potential area. So we're going to see what's going to happen if this is the case scenario. Simply the answer can be given from the invalidation of bullish. And we take it from there, of course. I mean, once we take this, we might, of course, move down, but we have to seek what if it is an ABC wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5 as an ending diagonal. Yeah, still, of course, possible, not totally bearish. We're gonna see, guys, step by step. And don't forget, of course, we need kind of like a triangle. Normally, wave A in triangle is aggressive. And then, of course, it holds on as, of course, consolidation and then moving for higher. That was it for NASDAQ and SPX. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. And see you in the next one. Bye-bye.